We have the, I'm sorry, yeah, this is the duodenum. We have the spleen right here, and then leading us to our intestine. This is all the intestine region. All right, so the intestine is actually broken into different parts as well. We're not going to cut through the intestine, but it's what is called a valvular intestine. So valves meaning it has different kind of branches on it. And then that kind of leads to our colon. So all of this is actually protected with different things. So these connective tissues right here, this is mesentery. We can actually, oh, this is really cool. So these are eggs. Remember, this was a female. Up and look. Oh, you guys weeded out. That's a baby. That's a baby shark right there. So these are eggs. So this is obviously the placenta, and that is a baby shark. Crazy. Let's see how many there are. Looks like there's 2. Yep, we have 2 baby sharks. Look at how small they are. I know. Oh gosh, don't start singing that song. So here's our babies. Let's kind of save those. I'm going to put those in front of me. There's our show babies. But those are obviously, obviously mesentery openings. The mesentery connective tissue right here. I can't believe we found babies. That is awesome. I'm going to get rid of that. All right, and then on this side, oh, we have another one. Yeah, so typically you might find about 3 of these. And obviously they're connected up here. You guys can see that they have some arteries going down it. Let's get rid of this one as well. That's what the pinkish is. So it had a total of 3 babies. So what we would call this, remember there's different types of reproduction in sharks. Let me get the right one. I have it in my, give me a second, I gotta get it. Yep, oh. Let me pull it out. Pull this off. I'm sorry that we're going so late, but I thought this was really cool for you guys. So here's another baby. Obviously this sac, this protective membrane is what's protecting it. So you have 3 babies in this one female. How awesome is that? Placenta, baby, obviously connected to umbilical cord, right? And this is the womb. That's the womb that the baby was in. So there you go. How cool. All right, so what we call that is ovoviviparous. Ovoviviparous. 3 babies. So it had what we don't call them babies, but they're called pups. And obviously the gestation period for these, you are going to be so surprised. It is almost 2 years. So the fact that we just killed this and I took out 3 babies makes me utterly sad. I never like to do sharks because of this. I love them so much. But yeah, 2 years for this to even come out of the body of the female. That is super crazy, right? Super, super crazy.